Chroma has a philosophy of saying that we'll help consumers in the buying process. So we don't want to be too sales oriented in terms of pushing sales onto the consumer. What our core philosophy is that consumer who's stepping into a store should feel that he's stepped into a place where people recognize and understand his needs and provide solutions to him that are appropriate for what he's come to shop in the store for. Getting on to retail communication, the single largest objective that a marketing communication for a retail store can be is to drive a continuous stream of footfall into your stores. And these people who are coming into your stores should be positively disposed towards you. While through a tactical promotion, you can possibly generate hordes of people if you're saying I'm selling products at 20% discount today. The kind of people you want into your stores are who've sort of developed a preference for you as a brand, who've seen that this is what this brand stands for, and this is a place I should go for long-term reasons, not just for short-term reasons. So therefore, it requires identifying and communicating a very strong consumer proposition. The one that we have currently of We Help You Buy, we've seen has paid good dividends for us. You need to build awareness and preference from the brand so that people in and around your catchment know of you and have a positive inclination towards visiting your stores. And similarly, you also need to give consumers multiple short-term and long-term reasons to keep coming back to your stores. Long-term reason as in what they think of you as a brand, that this is a place where my electronic needs will be well met. People who will respond to me will be ones who know about those categories. They'll have the latest products in the business. These are the longer-term reasons why a consumer would come to your stores. And shorter-term business would be tactical stuff like having a promotion from time to time, having a cashback is something that we do regularly. Similarly, having a special on a particular product. Those are the short-term reasons of drawing footfall and making sure that there are occasions that you capture on.